Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about one of the most joyful celebrations in Islam, Eid al-Fitr. I will explain what Eid is, how it's celebrated, and most importantly, how to perform the Eid prayer step by step. So stick around till the end. What is Eid al-Fitr? Eid al-Fitr, also known as the festival of breaking the fast, marks the end of Ramadan. It's a time of joy, gratitude, and togetherness. But before all the festives, the most important thing to do is perform the Eid Salah, prayer. How to perform Eid al-Fitr Salah? Step 1. Prepare for prayer. Perform ghusl, purification. Wear your best clothes and head to the mosque or an open prayer ground. Step 2. Intention, which is niyah. Before starting, make the intention in your heart. I intend to perform the rakats of Eid prayers for the sake of Allah. Step 3. First rakat. The actions here are Takbir al-Tahrima. Raise your hand and say Allahu Akbar to start the prayer. Extra takbirs. Say Allahu Akbar 3 more times, lowering the hand after each takbir. On 4th takbir, place your hands on the chest. Recitation. The Imam or you recite Surah al-Fatiha and another surah, often Surah al-Nashr. Perform ruku, bowing, and sujood, prostration, as in normal prayer. Step 4. Second rakat. What are the actions over here? After standing up, recite Surah al-Fatiha and another surah. Say takbir 3 times before going to the ruku, raising the hands each time. On the 4th takbir, go directly into ruku and complete the prayer as normal. Eid khutbah. After the prayer, the Imam delivers a sermon, khutbah, about the importance of Eid, gratitude, and charity. It's recommended to sit and listen, but if you are praying at home, the khutbah is not mandatory. The meaning behind Eid. Eid is not just about celebrations. It has a deep spiritual meaning. It's a day to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for giving us the strength to complete Ramadan. It's also about sharing blessings with others, and especially those who need. The key terms to highlight over here are taqwa, good consciousness, gratitude, charity, Zakat al-Fitr. How is Eid celebrated? Now let's look at how Eid is celebrated. Eid prayer. The day begins with a special prayer called Salah al-Eid, performed in large congregations at mosques or open fields. Zakat al-Fitr. Before the prayer, Muslims give a special charity called Zakat al-Fitr, which ensures that even the less fortunate can celebrate Eid. Festive meals. And it's time for a delicious Eid feasts. From biryani to sheer khorma, different cultures bring their unique dishes to the table. Visiting loved ones and gifts. Family visits relatives, exchange gifts, and children often receives Eid, which is money or presents from elders. Such a beautiful festive. Eid around the world. Eid around the world. Did you know Eid is celebrated in different ways around the world? In Saudi Arabia, large feasts and fireworks. In South Asia, sheer khorma and mehendi, which is henna. In Turkey, it is called Ramazan Bayrami, with sweet treats. In Indonesia, huge family reunions and ketupat, rice cakes. My personal experience. For me, Eid is all about faith, family, and food. I love waking up early, dressing up in new clothes, praying, celebrating with my loved ones, and of course, the Eid. Who doesn't love getting gifts? Let me know in the comments what Eid means to you. Eid is a reminder that after every hardship, there's an ease. Now that you know how to perform Eid Salah, I hope you all had a blessed and joyful Eid. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for more content like this. And to all my friends, Eid Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum.